Essay on pollution. Pollution is one of the most pressing environmental challenges facing the world today. It affects the health of ecosystem, wildlife, and humans and contributes significantly to the global issues such as climate change. Pollution occurs when harmful substances are introduced into the environment, resulting in detrimental effects on air, water, and soil quality. Types of pollution. There are several types of pollution, each affecting the environment in unique ways. First, air pollution. This is caused by the release of harmful gases and particles into the atmosphere. Major sources include vehicle emission, industrial processes, burning of fossil fuels, and deforestation. Air pollution leads to respiratory issue, heart disease, and contributes to the greenhouse effect, which is major driver of the climate change. Second, water pollution. Contamination of water bodies such as river, lakes, ocean, and groundwater occurs when pollutants such as chemicals, plastics, and waste materials are discharged into them. Water pollution affects marine life, disrupts ecosystem, and poses a threat to the human health by contaminating drinking water sources. Third, soil pollution. This occurs when chemicals, waste, and industrial pollutants degrade the quality of the soil. Soil pollution reduces fertility, affects food security by damaging crops, and can lead to the long-term ecological imbalance. Fourth, noise pollution. Excessive noise from the industrial activities, transportation, and urbanization affects both humans and animals. It can lead to the hearing loss, stress, and disruption of the natural habits for wildlife. Fifth, light pollution. Excessive artificial lighting, especially in urban areas, disrupt natural cycles and affect both human health and wildlife behavior. It can disturb sleep patterns in humans and interfere with the migration pattern of the birds and other animals. Causes of the pollution. Pollution arises from the various human activities including industrialization, urbanization, deforestation, and agriculture. Key cause included: first, industrial activities. Factories and the industries releases large amount of pollutants into the air, water and soils. Emission from factories, chemical waste and the use of non-renewable energy sources contribute significantly to the environmental degradation. Transportation. The burning of fossil fuels in vehicles is a major source of air pollution. This results in the release of carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxide, and other pollutants that degrade air quality. Agricultural process. The use of the chemical fertilizer, pesticides, and herbicides leads to the soil and water pollution. Intensive farming also contribute to the deforestation and the loss of biodiversity. Water disposal. Improper disposal of the waste, especially plastics and electronic waste, leads to the land and water pollution. Oceans are particularly affected by the plastic pollution, which poses a threat to the marine life. Effect of pollution. Pollution has far-reaching effect on the environment and human health. First, health hazard. Exposure to the polluted air, water, and soil can cause a range of health issues, including respiratory diseases, cardiovascular problems, cancer, and neurological disorder. Polluted water can lead to the waterborne disease such as cholera and dysentery. Environmental impact. Pollution disrupt ecosystem and reduce biodiversity. For example, air pollution can lead to the acid rain, which harm forests, lakes, and soils. Water pollution can result in the death of marine life and damage coral reefs. Climate change. Air pollution, particularly the release of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane, contribute to the global warming. This leads to the extreme weather events, rising sea level, and the loss of polar ice cap. Economic consequence. Pollution has economic cost including the healthcare expenses due to the pollution related diseases, loss of productivity and the cost of cleaning of the polluted environment. Solution to pollution. Addressing pollution requires concerted effort at individuals, community and governmental levels. First, policy and regulation. Government needs to enforce stricter environmental regulation to control emission, manage waste, and promote the use of clean energy. International agreements such as the Paris Agreement play a crucial role in addressing the global pollution issues. Sustainable practice. Adopting sustainable practice in the industries, agriculture, and urban planning can reduce the pollution. This includes the use of renewable energy, sustainable farming techniques, and green infrastructure. Public awareness. Educating the public about the dangers of pollution and encouraging environmentally friendly behavior such as reducing plastic use, recycling, and conserving energy can help mitigate pollution at the grassroots levels. Technological innovation. Advance in the technology can help reduce pollution through the development of the cleaner energy sources, efficient waste management system, and pollution control devices. Global cooperations. Pollution is a global problem that requires international collaboration. Countries must work together to share knowledge, resources, and strategies to combat pollution and protect the planet. Conclusion. Pollution is a critical challenge that threatens the health of the environment and humanity. Addressing this issue requires urgent and sustained effort to reduce emission, manage waste, and transition to the sustainable practices. By taking action today, we can protect the environment for future generations and ensure a healthier planet for all.